The purpose of this video is to show how to use Garmin Connect to create a custom tailored and specific workout to achieve specific goals that you might have. So first off, on a desktop computer, you go to connect.garmin.com and sign in with your Garmin information. And once you're signed in, on the left side you will see an icon for training. If you click on training and go to workouts, you will actually see a list of past workouts that I have completed. And I've put all of these in myself. So I'm going to show you how to create a new workout. So if we go to the workout type, we're going to click Run and create workout. It defaults to 3 different phases of the workout: a warm-up, a run, and a cool-down. I'm going to get rid of the warm-up and the cool-down just for the purposes of this tutorial and explain how to set up a specific type of run. So let's say this weekend I'm going to run a 10K. So I'm going to set it for run, a distance of 6.2 miles. It's easier if you go ahead and use the metric system than the imperial system over the metric system, especially if you want to use intensity targets. So I'm going to add more and say I'm going to select an intensity target, and what I want to do is I want to run at a specific pace over that 6.2 miles. And my goal pace is going to be under 8 minutes per mile. Now you don't have to do an under, it could be between 6 minutes per mile and 8 minutes per mile. It's totally up to you. So all I have to do now is give this a title, 10K race. And once I save the title with that little green check mark and I save the workout, I'm done. So all you have to do is send it to your device. You can click this little button to send to your device, and it says send now. It says open in Garmin Express. That's really just for if you are actually going to physically connect your Garmin to your computer using USB. That's not really necessary, because once you do this, it actually sends it out to the cloud and you can access it on your Garmin Connect app on your phone. And you can use that app in order to actually send it to your watch. So this is going to set up a 10K where you're going to average an 8 minute per mile pace or faster. So some miles could be faster, some miles could be slower. If it's really hilly, that's fine. It's just going to keep your average at 8 minutes per mile. And so what it does is anytime you go above 8 minutes per mile for your average for the whole 6.2 miles, the watch will beep at you, basically letting you know you're running too slow. And then once you bring your average back down into the desired range, 0 to 8 minutes per mile, you'll get another little beep and the watch will display a little symbol that says in the desired zone. So this is great if you want to average this specific pace over a certain distance, but let's say you want to run every single mile at that specific pace. So what I would do is I would actually change this to 1 mile, and then I would add a repeat. Okay, so we're going to do a repeat. So we'll do the first mile at a target goal of less than 8 minutes per mile. And then I'm going to add 5 more mile repeats. Distance, 1 mile. And I'm going to use the same intensity target of between 0 and 8 minutes per mile. And then you got to add 1 more step to get that last point too. Now this actually will break your workout up into 7 distinct phases. So each of the first 6 phases will be 1 mile phases, and each phase they're going to ask you to keep that 8 minute per mile pace. So as soon as you finish the first mile, the second mile starts, And if you're outside the zone, it'll tell you to either speed up or slow down or whatever is necessary in order to maintain your goal. So again, you just save the workout, send it to your device, send now. And like I said, this shows up on your Garmin Connect on your cell phone. And when you get ready to actually do the workout, you can click on Workout, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So in the Garmin Connect app, click in the upper left, go to Workouts, select the workout you just created, send to device, and select the device. Then on your watch, go to Training, My Workouts, select the workout you just created, and do the workout. Happy hunting!